Hello students, my name is Rohan Kadam and I'm here to discuss with you the writing skill expansion of ideas. Some students requested me to make this video. This expansion of ideas will come as an optional question in your 12th standard board examination. It will be of 4 marks. I've explained how we can write expansion of ideas in this video. Let us see the expansion of ideas in paragraphs. Generally, expansion of ideas is written in 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph is about key point or the meaning of the topic given. Second paragraph is the different aspects of the topic. It means related ideas. The last paragraph is the conclusion. In the next slide, we will see more examples. Now let us go to the next point, the next paragraph, which is the different aspects of the topic. So related topic we are writing in the second paragraph. I'll read it for you. We should love human beings because all humans are images of God. Now here we have added extra idea of God. See the next line. Love ensures peace and harmony. Another extra point has come. Next line. Love creates bonding. So now we have added bonding also. So all these related ideas have come in the second paragraph. We have come to the conclusion paragraph, which is the last paragraph. Now our topic statement was love your neighbor as thyself. So in the conclusion we have used if, we have used when. So let me read it for you. If everyone practiced love your neighbor, the world will be full of peace and happiness. When we love each other, then we take pleasure in each other's achievement and work together. I hope it is understood from the example what points to use. Let us see in the next slide one more expansion of ideas. Here we can see there is a proverb, a stitch in time saves 9. This is our topic for the expansion of ideas, and in the exam we get points like seen in the slide. The first point is a literal meaning. Second is doing work regularly. Third is do not keep the work pending. Fourth is support your understanding of the meaning of the proverb. Sum up the expansion. Now here support means give examples and sum up means conclude. So such points would be given and you have to write the expansion of ideas, or expansion of idea. So let us see how we can go about it. It is in the next slide. As you all know that the first paragraph is the meaning, the literal meaning, the key point. Let us see how we can write it. The statement is about management. It is about time management. If there is any problem, we should find the solution on time. Otherwise, the problem will become big and the answer or solution will be difficult. So now the meaning is done. Let us see the second point. Here the second point is doing work regularly. Now this is a related idea, that's why it has come in the second paragraph. I'm reading it for you. Everyone should do planning of their work and problems. When problems are solved on time, life becomes comfortable. So here I have put additional points or additional ideas of planning and comfortable. So in this way you can write these sentences for the points given in exam. The third point which is given, don't keep work pending. This also will come in the second paragraph because it is related topic, related idea. I'm reading it for you. As per plans, the work should be completed on time. All should be disciplined to complete tasks as per the deadlines. So here comes on time, discipline and deadlines. So in this way, the related ideas should be used. Now the next point, support your understanding. Now support your understanding of the meaning of the topic also will come in the second paragraph, because it is again we are giving examples. I'm reading it for you. We all can find friends or students who do not do their assignment on time. They keep delaying the work. When submission day arrives, those students have to work harder and stress levels increase. So here I have given examples of students, as you can see. Let's see the last point and the last paragraph. Now the last point, sum up the expansion. It means conclusion, and it is the third paragraph, the last paragraph. The time management is very important in work and life problems. The task should not be delayed and problems should be solved on time. Don't let the problems or tasks become huge to bring stress in life. So I have just written the conclusion. I hope all the points are clear. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please let us know. You can also write in comment box if any changes are required or which we can make the videos more better. I would also tell the students to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification of all the future videos. So bye students.